video, we are taking you to Barca's virtual museum tour, and I'm so excited to go inside.
So Afan, what's in this room?
In this room, they put in all of the trophies Barcelona has won from all of the years and classics.
And there's the oldest trophy as well, right?
Yep, 1901 to 19.
Nice. Hi guys, Assalamualaikum and welcome to Travelsheesh. जहाँ मैं सदर हम लेकर चलते हैं आपको डिफरेंट प्लेसेस पर। आज हम आपको लेकर जा रहे हैं कैंप नो म्यूजियम टूर। वर्चुअल टूर है ये बारका म्यूजियम का। सो लेट्स गो इनसाइड एंड एक्सप्लोर सम
Barca history and what are the legends and trophies they have won against rival teams in the past 20-30 years.
Let's go and start the show.
Let's go.
The FC Barcelona Immersive Tour and Museum is an interactive 1.5 to 2 hour experience that takes the visitors through the history of future of the club. The museum features a massive 360 Spotify Camp Nou live show, a comprehensive trophy, and a memorable collection. There is a dedicated room as well which shows all the details about the club. So guys, as you go inside, they will give you an audio guide as well, which you can connect to your mobile, and you can see all the history about their football, basketball and other sports. Here you can see all the history about Barca, right?
Yes.
Enjoy the tour.
Yeah, basketball also there, football also.
There's a lot of history about Barca, right? It is a must visit for Barca fans, right? What's in there?
It's the history. He became a manager after being the best international player at that time. He made Barcelona a dream team.
Nice.
And you can see there are some jerseys here, even of Stoichkov, the Bulgarian football player.
That's cool.
Yeah,
there's a kid Messi.
all of these are the players.
La Masia players.
The Masia players, right?
Everyone के hostels के अंदर kind of a canteen.
The fun house pictures are out there. Nice. Keep in mind to play football.
Not really, but yeah, I like them.
Then who's your favorite player? So Afan, what's in this room?
In this room, they put in all of the trophies Barcelona has won from all of the years and classics.
And there's the oldest trophy as well, right?
Yep, 1901 to 19.
Nice. jerseys throughout the years, right?
Yes.
Nice. Let's see them.
With the cover, but it's also cover.
And these are the description of the women's football team, and here are the men's football team as well, which they have won and represent their abilities in the matches. Afan, what's in these screens?
In the screens, you can see the information about all of the Barcelona players.
All the legends, details about their history and their struggles, right?
Yes. This is Ronaldo Nazario. The Brazilian Ronaldo.
Nice. And behind you is your very own Messi. And Afan, what are these?
These are the 8 Ballon d'Or and 6 Golden Boot, 5 gold against Messi.
So this corner is belong to Messi, right?
Yes.
Nice. What's out there?
This corner is the whole Barca Messi's career corner. So Messi won 35 titles in Barcelona, a record making.
Wow. And what's beside you?
The stadium of which we went for looking at the Barca Barcelona match. This is how the stadium will be in the future. It's not complete yet.
Yeah, it's in the construction site.
Yep.
And here there are the two small stadiums as well. This side, the Camp Nou. So guys, how's the experience of Camp Nou?
Good.
Yes, it was great. Complete history of
Yep.
Barcelona from the start and how the club
1899.
formed, how it reaches to its glory. So it's a wonderful experience.
Worth visiting, right?
Yeah, worth visiting. Definitely, if you are a Barca fan, you should definitely visit. Even if you are a football fan, because
You must
it
visit.
is not just a club.
Yeah, it's all about the
Not
history.
club.
Yeah. Nice, nice. And Afan, what you're buying?
Mine is Lewandowski coming.
Souvenir?
Yep.
Mm-hmm. To keep the memories of Barca, right?
Yeah.
That you visited over here. So you got the souvenir?
Yeah.
You happy?
Yeah.
Souvenir?
Hello, Madhuri.
So Atif, you got your Barca shopping done, right?
Yes.
What do you got in there?
Shopping from Camp Nou. I've got trouser, I've got t-shirt.
Nice. So Afan got it from Madrid official store and you got it from Barca.
No, I also bought some trousers from Barca.
चलो फिर बाय बाय कर दो वाह बाय बाय कर दो
So if you guys like our video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our super motivation. We gotta go see this. Please in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video. But you know the drill. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, X, and TikTok. Our handles are Travelsheesh. Bye. See you in the next video.